Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, October 9th, 2018. This is Mr. Sperling, and joining me today is
William Max.
Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In our general ed math classroom, there is no general homework. However, if you did not get the quiz corrections finished in class or Warrior time, you need to do that. Remember, you are only correcting the ones that you did wrong. We also need to check Google Classroom, and we got an independent practice 4.3. In science, there is no homework. In social studies, create your own country project for Mr. Sanchez that is due on Thursday. It's very important that you do not wait until the last minute to do this. There's quite a bit of work involved. You need to make sure that you're working on it during Warrior time as well as outside of school. Language arts, there's no homework as we had library today. Remember, all AR points are due 13 days from now. You can take multiple tests a day, but remember, 10 days from now, there is no school. And on that last day, the Monday the 22nd, you're only allowed to take one test. So it's very, very important that we get our tests and our points done prior to that. In literature, on top of the AR, we also have our Chapter 12 work. That's it for today. Everyone have a great afternoon and evening.
Bye. Have a good day.